Hey, this is Chef Michael with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we're making zoodles of oodles stuff. We're going to make zucchini bread and zoodles, but we're going to use zoodles for both. This is some beautiful organic zucchini from Ideal Harvest. Here we are making our zucchini bread, Chef Michael with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. I want to show you this nifty little device. What I'm doing to get to the zucchini is I'm just running it through this. It makes thin and thick ribbons. Then I'm probably going to chop this up a little bit. And I'm going to add it to these other ingredients over here, which is gluten-free flour, because we're making gluten-free zucchini bread. Some organic chocolate chips, eggs, oil, baking powder. And we're going to blend that all up. Now, very important when you're making zucchini bread or any muffins or bread, once you mix this batter, you want to let the batter sit for 10 minutes. Then we're going to bake it off in a greased copper pan or nonstick pan for about 50 minutes until you stick a toothpick in, it comes out clean. Then I'll show you how fantastic it is when it comes out. Woo! Hey, we're back with the zucchini bread. It's cooled off. I cooled it on the rack for about 10 minutes, and then I cooled it in the freezer on this plate for about 10 minutes. Make sure you set a timer. You don't want to freeze the bread. Now I'm going to show you. I've got a serrated knife here. This is probably the best way to cut the zucchini bread. You want to cut it about 1/2-inch slices, and look at how beautiful this came out. Look at how pretty. Now I used coconut sugar and all-purpose gluten-free flour. And this is the beautiful zucchini bread. Look how nice and even it baked. It's just wonderful. It took about 50 minutes at 325 degrees. Anyway, you just keep slicing it. About 1/2-inch slices. You can slice it and you can freeze it in individual pieces. Now look how pretty that is. I'm Chef Michael. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. We took zoodles and made zucchini bread. Remember, when you eat well, you live well. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks.